Welcome back. I am Mr. Sunshine, and if you remember from your last video, you learned about forces and how they are acting on all objects all the time. When the net force is zero, the forces are said to be balanced. When the forces are not balanced, an object will change motion by speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. In this lesson, you're going to look into forces a little bit more in depth. So imagine you want to push this crate or box. You apply a force of 50 newtons on the box, but it does not move. How many newtons of force is it applying back onto you? 50 newtons. So the sum of the forces is zero. Therefore, the box is currently not moving. If we apply 100 newtons of force, the same thing. The sum of the forces, or the net force, is zero. 100 forces applied, 100 forces applied back onto the person pushing the box. It's not moving. But if we increase to 150 newtons, now my net force is 56 newtons, and the box starts to move. If you notice, the speed is accelerating. So if we pause it, and it would keep on accelerating because our constant force is ever increasing. So why is it accelerating if a force is not changing? Well, imagine if you and your friend wanted to push yourselves down the hall in a rolling chair, and you push with the same force the whole time, the chair is going to slowly speed up. So as you're going further and further down the hall, if you're applying the same force, you're having to run faster and faster to keep applying that same force. But what happens when you let off? The chair is eventually going to stop. Why? Because the gravitational force creating friction on the wheels is going to slow down and stop the chair.